Okay, Ellen,
Mm-hmm.
first things first. The Ram truck. Did you love it?
I loved it.
Right color,
Mm-hmm.
right equipment.
Mm-hmm.
We got the right vehicle, correct? Now, not only is it the right vehicle, Ellen, this is a certified pre-owned vehicle. A certified pre-owned vehicle is a better vehicle, and it's a better vehicle because of the thorough inspection and reconditioning process it went through. Ellen, anything that didn't pass, we had to fix or replace. So you've got a better vehicle, but we're going to back it up with a 6-month, 7,500 mile warranty that covers most of the mechanical workings of the vehicle. Does it cover the engine? Certainly. Also covers the power seat motor. Does it cover the transmission? Yeah. Also covers the windshield wiper motor. It covers your braking system, but not the pads. Covers your engine, but not the belts and hoses. If it's a wear item, it's not covered. But for the next 6 months, 7,500 miles, if something breaks that's covered, and most things are, somebody else will pay for the repair. All you do is pay a small $100 deductible. Cool? You're also going to get roadside assistance for 6 months. And now, this is really cool. For the next year, you're going to get paintless dent repair. Has anybody ever dinged or dented your car?
Mm-hmm.
Did it make you mad?
Mm-hmm.
It also devalued your vehicle, you know.
Right.
Over the next year, we'll fix up to 877 dings or dents for you. No cost. How's that sound? I just made that up, Ellen. It's actually an unlimited number. Okay? So we'll keep your vehicle looking better longer and increase your resale value. Cosmetic wheel repair. Ellen, have you ever scraped a wheel on a curb going through a fast food drive-through or bank drive-through or parallel parking? Did it make you mad?
Yeah.
Did you look into what it would cost to get it fixed?
No.
About 150 to 200 bucks. We'll fix all those for you over the next year. And if you get any cracks or stars in your windshield, we'll fix those for you too. All those come with your vehicle, and guess what? You think it's the right vehicle, so do I, but we're going to give you 3 days to figure it out because there's an exchange policy. If you decide during the first 3 days or 300 miles, whichever comes first, that you don't like it, you just bring it all back here, we'll get you another one. Cool? Say yes. All right, here's your opportunity. Highlighter comes out again. There's the discounted price that brought you in. We're going to buy your vehicle for $7,000. Because you're trading it to us, you're going to save yourself $630 in taxes. Over here, I'm going to give you 3 terms, short, mid, and long. Short-term payment saves you the most money, pays it off faster, lets you trade sooner. Long-term payment gives you a lower payment, but the financial flexibility to pay it off early because there is no prepayment penalty. And the midterm is the best of both worlds. Cash down, 0, 2,500, or 5,000. The more cash you put down, the lower your payment. Do you want high payments or low payments?
Low.
Okay, put down some cash. Saves you money because you reduce the balance to finance and also allows you to trade faster. Which of the cash down numbers is going to work best for you?
5.
So, there are your 3 choices. High payment, save the most money. Low payment, gives you the most financial flexibility. And best of both worlds. Put a check mark by the one that works best for you. Okay, that right down there. All right, can you do this? We're about to find out. All right, I want you to look. Do you want to make more money? Or do you really care?
I mean, yeah, I want to make money.
Do you want to make more money than you're making right? Because you're making some money right now, right? Or you still wouldn't be here. How long have you been here the last time I was here? Were you brand new then? Okay, but you've
Yeah, I think so.
okay. How long have you been doing this in total? It has to be at least 3, 4, 5 months.
Since July.
July? Since July?
Started in July.
But I moved to pre-owned a couple months ago.
Okay. Pre-owned's harder, but it also gives you the chance to make more money. All right? Do you want to make more money? Say, yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Okay, then you have to improve your skills. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm not trying to beat you up because I like you. I mean, you don't work for me. But my job is to help salespeople make more money. That's how I get paid. Don't actually get paid for that. But my pride will not allow me to keep working if I can't help you guys get better at what you do. And I can help you get better. All right, the customers are going to say no from time to time, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
What are they going to say